The wines produced in Friuli Venezia Giulia are a calling card for the excellence of a region which is complex, but at the same time stimulating and fascinating, and where the climate and the countryside vary dramatically. The wines produced in the region, many of which are fine vintages that are perfect for a variety of local dishes, are the result of centuries of experience. Enhancing the eye-catching beauty of the rural parts of the region, with its huge expanses of carefully tended vineyards, many winemakers have dedicated their working lives to the creation of an atmosphere of hospitality and warmth, so that today lovers of good food and fine wine can immerse themselves in this charming rural setting. Most of the growers in this region produce white grapes, which skillful enologists and expert winemakers transform into fine wines such as Friulano, the symbol of Friuli's winemaking tradition, as well as native grape varieties such as Malvasia and Ribolla Gialla, richly fragrant and with a velvety flavour. Picolit and Ramandolo are sought after by many connoisseurs for their unique fragrance and flavour. Equally expert hands transform the dark grapes of centuries-old local varieties into full-bodied, robust red wines. Among these, Refosco dal Peduncolo Rosso, with its distinctive, slightly bitter aftertaste, Elegant Pignolo, and the full-bodied and slightly tannic taste of Schioppettino, all wines that are the perfect choice to accompany the various local cheeses and meat dishes that are typical of the region. It remains only to visit Friuli Venezia Giulia and savour these fine wines, while admiring the countryside and enjoying the fresh, clean air that makes them so great. Tipicamente friulano is a sense of belonging. Tipicamente friulano is the style of the enterprises which operate in the Friuli Venezia Giulia region and may be found in their products. Tipicamente friulano, where people share the same ideals.